Rufus says, this is very exciting. I don't know what we're doing here. What do you think, Rufus?
This is crazy, Mom. We're outside. We're going to eat outside. Oh my goodness.
So we got these weird orange things on.
See if that is. I don't know if it's going to stop it from falling over or not.
The edge of a cliff.
The carnage.
The carnage, yeah.
Deliciousness.
Truly.
Oh my goodness.
You're fine. You can just put it on the platter.
Making sure to have most of the water out.
The behemoth. Flip him over. Look at those claws.
Big boy.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
The creme glaze, I believe, is going to be better than the ganache. Caramel, pears, cream cheese, and chocolate. I feel like it's a winner.
So the go mac dish, and it's not screaming Halloween, but I think mine is absolutely at the top of its lungs screaming Halloween. So, we'll see.
Do the rotating version.
The rotating version.
Is overwhelming. So I think it just weights it down a touch.
I'm going to respectfully disagree.
He says, I would eat all of them.
Crumble with the pears. I think it's delicious. And visually, you hit the theme on the head.
Thanks so much.
Chef Kara, thank you.
Thanks so much.
You were the only 2 chefs to survive 3 rounds of chopped out.
Whee! And there's Gus. He's like, I don't know what's going on. Why is everybody giggling?
You're going to have to choose what you're going to go for first.
Oof.
Got all the decorations ready for photo. Now you gotta move them out of the way to eat.
Well, and we're also blocking the boy. Are these vanilla?
These are pumpkin.
Okay.
That is carrot.
Right. This is lemon.
Yeah.
That's the espresso.
Yep.
Chocolate. Double chocolate, I think.
Yep.
That's the raspberry
Raspberry.
champagne.
Yep. On the other side over here is funfetti.
Okay.
And then there's red velvet.
Okay.
Double chocolate. I don't know. I kind of want to try this pumpkin one first. I'll take the smasher one because
That was a very competitive round. It's all going to come down to what you did to the squid to make it the star of your plate. Chef Jared, what'd you make?
You have a fried calamari with
Gus,
onion Fresno sauce.
did you want a
as well as
funfetti?
a salad with a champagne vinaigrette.
For me, I love that you fried the calamari.
Oh, man.
I think the sauce got really nice flavor. I wish it was a little thicker. I just think that you overcooked
Should
the
I
calamari.
cut these up for the boys?
Yes.
Definitely over.
Do they still have their plates?
Perfect texture on it. It's
Nah,
light, it's
they're-
crispy.
well, I can
I
dig
actually
them
love
out.
the preparation of the salad with
Dig 'em
that
out.
champagne vinegar because it gives me that.
They are dogs.
Oh man.
Andrew with the squid tattoo.
I made cast iron charred squid.